Okay, let's go.
All right, welcome back to the channel. I don't think I've ever showed anybody my workspace, so just so you know, it's a 3-car garage. Using about half of it for the car and half of it for, I guess, a parts supply depot, so I can take things off. I have like a throwaway pile, and then I have new parts, and then I have a room full of parts in the house, and I have detail stuff. I don't know. There's a system for it in my head, at least. But this is where I'm working, so you guys can kind of see just a run through of space requirements, things like that. That's what I'm working on. Those are the twin hydraulic jacks. They're supposedly portable, but they weigh like 450 pounds. But yeah, you just plug it into a 12-volt circuit. You add about a half a gallon of hydraulic fluid, and I'll link everything in the video. But yeah, this is where we're at. I'm about to finish up unbolting some things in here, and the engine is coming out this week, hopefully, if I can find some time. I'm gonna take off a lot of stuff on the inside. I'm thinking about repainting the inside of the engine bay. I don't really know how to paint, but it can't be that hard, right? Maybe give me some tips in the comments. I don't know. But yeah, this is what we're working with, and the GTO is coming along pretty smoothly, actually. Anyways, thanks for watching.